Hi everybody! Today I'm going to teach you how to make juggling balls. Juggling is a great, safe way to have fun at home, and I hope you enjoy this video. What you're going to need is some kind of grain. You can use rice, you can use oat groats, you can even use lentil or beans, whatever you have at home is fine. You're going to need 3 pairs of balloons, so 6 all together, a pair of scissors, 3 plastic bags. The kind that fold over at the top works great, but whatever you have on hand is fine. And a measuring cup. I used a 1/3 cup, but my juggling balls came out a little too small, so I'd say a 1/2 cup would be better. That's all you need, so we're ready to go. First, you're going to take one balloon, and you're going to cut off the top part right where the balloon starts getting wide. And you can just take that part and set it aside, it's just trash now. Do the same with your second balloon. Then you're going to open up one of your plastic bags and put a scoop of grain inside. You can make sure that your juggling ball is going to be the right size. You can just set the grains in your hand and just make sure that that's the size that you want your juggling ball to be. You can add a little bit more grain if it's not big enough, or take out some if it is too big. You're going to fold the plastic bag over the grains and squish it all together. And this part's a little bit tricky. Sometimes it might take a few times to get the balloon over the grains. But you're just going to squish the bag of grains into the balloon. And then you're going to take your other balloon and you're going to put that one over the first one, covering up the little hole where the grains stick out. And you can just shape it into a nice ball. And there you go, you got your first juggling ball. Just repeat that process 2 more times and you've got 3 juggling balls. Way to go! Now that you've got your very own set of juggling balls, you can check out our other tutorials on how to juggle and more by following us at our website, popupmovement.com, or on Instagram and Patreon at popupmovement. We hope you enjoyed our video.